Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to my SQL DBA Wizard channel. Today I'm going to talk about a query timeout issue that accompanies another error, which is a resource limit was reached error. Now this could be replicated. I'm running a query right now, and for this example I've set the timeout setting to 2 seconds. Now, if we execute this link server query, it should time out after 2 seconds. And there it goes. It's timed out with a query timeout error, along with execution terminated by the provider because a resource limit was reached. Now, normally in this, when encountering a timeout error in a link server query, one would go to the target server, which is in this case the server the link server query is querying against, and take a look at its remote query timeout settings. Now in this case it's set to 0, which means it should not give us a timeout error. So the other source or the other target we can take a look at the remote query timeout setting is at the source server. Now the source server is what this query window is connecting to. If we take a look at the remote query timeout setting on this server, you should see a setting of 2 seconds. Now in this example I've set it to 2 seconds, but let's try and set it at 5 seconds just to prove that this is the setting that needs to be changed in order to resolve the link server query timeout issue that's accompanied by a resource limit error. So rerun this link server query. It should time out after 5 seconds. And there you go. If you take a look, it's timed out at 5 seconds. Now, to avoid this query timeout issue from occurring, you can either give a bigger value to the remote query timeout on the source server, or set it to 0 so that link server queries would never time out, as well as give you a resource limit error. Thank you.